Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our topic is how to do a private level product research with Helium 10 tool in a Dubai market. Okay, first of all, you need a Helium 10 tool for this research, and then you will type a criteria which I make for UAE product research for a private level. First of all, go to a Helium 10 tool like this. Okay, then you will click on tools and then click on black box. Black box is a tool for the product research. So then you will put the criteria here. You will choose your marketplace because you are using Amazon A marketplace, and you will find a product for a private label in UE. Okay, then you will search volume. Here is you will put product research criteria. So I make up a lot of criteria for a private label, okay? Because UE is a new marketplace where you find a lot search volume keyword where you will easily rank and get a be- best revenue. Okay, here you will put a search volume. First you will get here is product and your keyword. You will find a keyword, then you will put in Amazon Joy Marketplace. Here I will find a new product for Amazon A. I will show you how to do our research. Okay, here you will put a search volume. Search volume put here 100 minimum and maximum is animal. Okay, we will put any minimum criteria, no any maximum criteria because it's a new marketplace, so search volume is low every product. Then monthly revenue is 500 dirham, and price is 20 dirham, and review count is 5. Okay, and then word count, one count is about 2 to 4. Okay, then we will choose the category. Category we will choose it ungated categories like sporting goods, tools and home improvements, office products, mobile phone and communication product, kitchen, home, and then we'll choose uh, automotive and appliances. We will not choose the baby products. These products needs approval for the selling on Amazon because these are harmful for babies or pets or any grocery product. We will not choose any product. Okay, we will choose ungated categories like this. Okay, you can see this category and you can find easily product from here. Then you will put here is shipping service. Never choose any oversized product because Amazon is highly focuses on these oversized products. So choose these four sizes. Here you put variation count is maximum three, no more than three variation. Here is monthly sales is 100 minimum and minimum 100 and maximum unlimited. Here is competing product. Competing product means how many products are selling according to this keyword. Okay, these are the maximum 2,000 brands are selling this keyword. Okay, here you will when you will click on search, you will see this keyword like this. Okay, you can put your own criteria which you want, like how much search volume you need, how much revenue you will need, how much price of the product, and the review counts which you want. Okay, this is the my criteria which I find for the private label product, so easily ranked on your Amazon. So you can generate a beginner as a beginner. You can find easily product and easily rank on Amazon. Okay, first of all, we find a Ziploc bag. We will check one by one these products. For example, we find that this keyword about private label product for Amazon Jewelry. Here is Ziploc bag, and its search volume is 924, and its price on Amazon is $30.89 dirham, and its monthly sales 152, and its revenue is 18 and 12. This is the best revenue as a beginner. Yeah, you can click on here and we will cut out. Here we can find, we will paste this keyword here, we plug back, and we will click on search. Here you see is 6 to 1 brands are selling this according to this keyword. Okay, we will click on here, everyone is selling here these new products. You can see here is 100 pieces sales, bought in password 50. You can see everyone is selling at the low reviews. We will click on here. You can also download the Helium 10 extension in search bar, and then if you click on X-ray Amazon product research. Here you will click, then you will see the how much search volume, and also first page brands get how much sale. Helium 10 is loading data from the first page of this according to this keyword. Here you can see the how much is selling. Is average revenue is 1500 dirham, and 924 is search volume of this keyword, and success story doesn't matter because it's sometimes your giving is wrong. Always search to check this reviews and also price and revenue. Okay, and then you will see here is filter out here, then hide this keyword. We will hide the sponsor product, which is where people are running PPC on it. So we will hide this here product. Yeah, so we will see any irrelevant product is here, so we can cut out from this page. We will see Ziploc portion, Ziploc. This total 900 pairs is also cotton. Okay, we're going to filter out this. Okay, we will check one by one. First one is selling as for 1200 dirham, 12,000 dirham at 283 reviews. Okay, reviews are always low on GUI because this is new market. You can also depend on revenue. Is this per brand is also selling a product on Amazon GUI marketplace is 12,000 dirham is average revenue. Okay, we will click on high to low. This is the average revenue is also count on this product. You can check it 1700, and some brands are selling at 3 count. You can see it 239 dirham. So these are also getting revenue from this product. Okay, you can find if you don't like this product, so you can cut out and check next one. Here you can see is a second one product. We will check is a disposable gloves which are using a very well high volume. You can see here, click copy, and then you click here. We can also paste here. The process is same of products that you can type any keyword here and also paste here, and you search on it. When this is research, then click on Helium 10 extension, which is also on here. We can click on Helium 10 extension and then click on X-ray Amazon product research tool. Loading product data. After a few seconds, it will be loaded from first page. Here you can see average revenue is 2,000 dirham, and my maximum and its average score success story 42. This is amazing product for as a beginner to sell this product on Amazon UAE. So you can find easily from Helium 10 this type of products. You can see also a many keyword also. Here you can see this first one is selling 17 dirham, 75 75 dirham price is this product. Okay, you can see you can find this product from Helium Alibaba.com. So you can also source from Alibaba.com this low price. Okay, it's also 9,000 dirham is revenue. You can check its review count in 186. Every seller is getting sales from it. For example, this is $8, 8 reviews, and he is selling at 164. He is selling at 113. So every revenue is 2,000 dirham for this product. You can high to low. You can see everyone is selling. These are new products, I think, because it's not showing data. So you can see height low is 15,000. This is disposable manual products. These are new products, so these are selling very well. You can see is review count is 16, 3, 4, and his selling is best because we can check it. Product is selling well. Here you can see is selling as bestseller and is rating is 3 and is very well selling. You can see many brands are also selling. You can also do a wholesale business with this product also. Here you can see. So you can sell this product easily on Amazon. His selling is 534 units per month. So you can sell it easily. Okay. So this is the process of doing product research in UA market with the help of Helium 10 tool. You can find first keyword, then put here in Amazon UE marketplace, and then click on Helium 10 extension, and you can see the data of this first page products, and you can find easily products. So this is the third keyword, then fourth, then six, one by one you can see, and also you can change the data from here, and then click on search, then you will find new keywords and then research on it. So this process is the same from first of all you put criteria. This I will also remind you this process. First of all, you click on black box, then you will click on keyword, then choose your marketplace UE, and then click here search volume, here monthly revenue which you want, and price you want, and review count, and everything you want. So you can put here, then click on search volume, click on search, and then you will see the here keyword. Copy the keyword and then put in here, yeah, and then click on Helium 10 extension. You will find this the how much revenue is faster the page seller and how much is review, so you can easily launch these products. You can also launch with the low inventory to check this product is selling well or not. Okay, so you can also check every keyword and which you want and which you like to want to melt in that box. Also you can see different box for office. These are all very good product for Amazon Jewelry. Okay, so if you have any question about this product research, so you can comment below and I will answer you soon. Okay, if you want new video for Amazon product research in Jewelry, I will make for you to how to do a manual product research on Amazon Jewelry. So I will make a next video on manual product research in Amazon UE marketplace with the help of without help of any tool. So I will make next video for this. Okay, thanks for watching. I love this.